cryptocurrency has gained immense popularity as a digital asset that offers the potential for financial gains. With the rising interest in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others, many people are curious about how they can make money with cryptocurrency. In this article, we will explore some tips and strategies for beginners who are looking to venture into the world of cryptocurrency and generate income. Trading cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies with the aim of making a profit from the price fluctuations. Beginners can start by learning the basics of technical and fundamental analysis to make informed trading decisions. They can use online platforms like exchanges or trading apps to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. For example, a beginner can buy Bitcoin when its price is low and sell it when the price goes up, making a profit in the process. Investing in cryptocurrencies. Investing in cryptocurrencies is another way to make money in the crypto space. Beginners can consider a long-term investment strategy where they buy and hold cryptocurrencies with the expectation that their value will increase over time. They can choose to invest in well-established cryptocurrencies or look for promising projects with potential for growth. For instance, a beginner can invest in Ethereum, which has shown significant growth in recent years and is considered one of the leading cryptocurrencies in the market. Staking and yield farming. Staking and yield farming are popular methods for earning passive income with cryptocurrencies. Staking involves locking up a certain amount of a cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the network's operations and earn rewards. Yield farming, on the other hand, involves providing liquidity to decentralized finance, DeFi platforms in exchange for earning interest or fees. Beginners can research different cryptocurrencies and DeFi projects that offer staking or yield farming opportunities and choose the ones that suit their risk tolerance and investment goals. Freelancing and gig economy in the cryptocurrency space. The cryptocurrency space offers various freelance opportunities where beginners can use their skills to earn money. For example, they can offer services like writing, designing, programming, or marketing related to cryptocurrencies and get paid in cryptocurrencies as a form of payment. There are also gig economy platforms that pay in cryptocurrencies for tasks like completing surveys, testing websites, or participating in online marketplaces. Beginners can explore these opportunities and leverage their skills to generate income in the crypto space. Cryptocurrency mining. Cryptocurrency mining involves using specialized computer hardware to solve complex mathematical algorithms, which helps to validate transactions and maintain the blockchain network. Miners are rewarded with cryptocurrency for their efforts. Beginners can explore mining opportunities by setting up their own mining rigs or joining mining pools, which allow them to pool their resources with other miners and increase their chances of earning rewards. However, it's important to note that cryptocurrency mining requires significant investment in hardware, electricity, and maintenance costs, and may not be as profitable for beginners without proper research and understanding. Cryptocurrency education and consulting. With the growing interest in cryptocurrencies, there is a demand for education and consulting services. Beginners who have gained knowledge and experience in the cryptocurrency space can offer services like online courses, tutorials, or consulting sessions to help others navigate the complex world of cryptocurrencies. They can charge fees for their expertise and provide value-added services to educate and guide others in making informed decisions about investing or trading cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency blogging or content creation. As cryptocurrencies gain more attention, there is a demand for quality content that provides insights, news, and analysis about the crypto market. Beginners with writing, video creation, or other content creation skills can start a blog, YouTube channel, or social media accounts to share their knowledge, experiences, and opinions about cryptocurrencies. They can monetize their content through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing and generate income based on the traffic and engagement they generate. As with any investment or business venture, it's important for beginners to do thorough research and understand the risks associated with cryptocurrency. They should also consider their risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon before choosing a strategy to make money with cryptocurrency. With the right knowledge, skills, and caution, beginners can explore the opportunities in the crypto space and potentially generate income from their investments or business ventures.